Hi, everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to download Geometry Dash on your PC step by step. First, open Google Chrome or any web browser on your computer. In the search bar, type BlueStacks. From the search results, click on the first link, which should take you to the official BlueStacks website. Once you're there, you'll see a button that says Download BlueStacks, click on it, and the download will begin automatically. Wait a few moments until the file finishes downloading. Once done, open the downloaded file and follow the on-screen instructions to install BlueStacks on your PC. The installation might take a couple of minutes depending on your system speed. After it's installed, open the BlueStacks application. On the home screen, look at the top right corner and click on the search bar. Type Geometry Dash, then press Enter or click on Search. You'll see several apps and game options appear. Find the official Geometry Dash app, click on it, and then select Install. Wait for the installation to finish, and once it's done, you'll be able to launch and play Geometry Dash right from BlueStacks. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded Geometry Dash on your PC using BlueStacks. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.